Hi everyone, welcome to NG Maths channel. Let us discuss a problem from the coordinate geometry. The question is, if a minus 2 1, b a comma 0, c 4 comma b and d 1 comma 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, find the values of a and b, hence find the lengths of its sides. Let us go to the solution. Let me draw the figure of parallelogram which will give you some idea. Let ABCD is a parallelogram where the vertices are minus 2 1, a comma 0, c 4 comma b, d 1 comma 2. We solve this question by the property of the parallelograms, that is, the diagonals of the parallelogram AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect means divides each other into equal segments. It will be the intersection point O, then which means that this AC is bisected by BD, these two are equal, and BD is bisected by AC, DO is equal to OB, which means that, in other words, the midpoint of two diagonals are same. Given that A minus 2 1, B a comma 0, C 4 comma B and D 1 comma 2 are vertices of parallelogram ABCD. We have the diagonals of parallelogram, the diagonals AC and BD of parallelogram will bisect each other, that is, midpoint of bisector means the segment passing through the midpoint only. So for AC Y is midpoint, for BD also Y is midpoint. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. You know midpoint formula. Midpoint formula means section formula with 1:1. The formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. That is average of x coordinates and average of y coordinates. Let me write the same formula for BD also. y1 plus y2 by 2. If you know the formula, you need not write the formula, just simply apply the formula for the coordinates. See, for A and C coordinates, let me apply the formula for A and C. What are x coordinates? I have underlined minus 2 plus 4 by 2 and y coordinates 1 plus b by 2 is equal to BD. What are x coordinates? I have underlined x coordinates, that is a plus 1 by 2, y coordinates 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 0 plus 2 is nothing but 2. So if two ordered pairs are equal, which means that corresponding coordinates are equal, that is abscissa and ordinates are equal. Let me equate those two to get the required values. First I am equating the abscissa, that is a plus 1 by 2. I am writing the first one with variable is equal to minus 2 plus 4 by 2. So having the same only one term on both sides, you can cancel out the denominators, that is a plus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 4, 2. A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. Similarly, equate the ordinates, that is second coordinates. 1 plus b by 2. 1 plus b by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So these are the missing coordinates among these 4 vertices of the parallelogram. And you are asked to find what are the lengths of the sides. You know, AB is equal to CD. If you find AB enough, you find CD also. So missing coordinate here, A is 1. So AB means root of difference of x coordinates whole square plus the difference of y coordinates whole square. That is square of the difference of x coordinates. Here x coordinates are minus 2, 1. So difference of those two is minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 square, plus y coordinates 1, 0. It is 1 square, becomes root 9 plus 1, root 10 units. So AB, that is equal to CD, both are root 10 units. Next let me find AD or BC. Here both coordinates are where we are having the values. Let me go for AD. AD is equal to root of difference of x coordinates minus 2 minus 1, again minus 3 whole square, plus difference of y coordinates, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Again you will get root of 9 plus 1, which is also equal to root 10 units. What it tells you, moreover this parallelogram is representing a rhombus because all sides are equal. Root 10, root 10, root 10, root 10 means this is a parallelogram with adjacent sides equal. It can be called as rhombus also. Thank you. I hope you understand.